Are you using Ubuntu or any Linux Debian OS and you are already running out of space and need to delete some files or caches from your laptop and you don't know how to go about it? Do not worry, I'm actually here to help. Hello there, my name is Emmanuel, and on this channel I produce content on how to use Ubuntu or any Linux Debian OS like Mint and the rest. I equally produce content on some useful websites that might help in your day-to-day activities and many more tech. Okay, in order to do that, you just need to open up your terminal, click on open it. Okay, then you type in sudo apt install BleachBit. Then you press enter. Then they will ask you to put in your password. So you put in your password. Remember, when you're putting in the password, it will not show, but just put it. Then you press enter at the end. And there it will start downloading. As you can see, all the files are downloading, and sometimes it usually take time. Depending on your data, the speed of your data, how fast your data is. So mine has finished downloading. So you just go out now and check it out. So you come to your menu down at the left hand corner of your screen. You type in the name of the app, BleachBit. Then you click on it. Here you go, it is open. So now here what you need to do is you need to tick these boxes. You will read, these are the different files that are on your computer. So these are the different files, and what you do is you tick the boxes. You look at the names, the things that you want to delete, you want to clean. You actually look at them. If you see any file in your computer, any file, anything that you don't want it to be in your computer, or anything that you are not using again, you just check the box. You just check the box. Then when you click clean, they will ask you to delete it. They will actually ask you to delete it. As for me, I have so many things. I have some caches in my computer that I really need to delete, so I will go and check the box, cache, then I will click on clean. Then they will ask me to delete. There you go, you start deleting any cache on my computer, and as you can see, there are so many of them. So it is actually deleting all the files, the cache, and everything on my computer that are no longer useful. So if you're getting value from this content, please like, share, and turn on your notification bell for more contents like this. So as you can see, I have liberated 2.97 gigabytes on my computer. So, and if you want to liberate more space, you just need to go and keep checking those boxes, but please make sure that you check only the box of a file that you want to delete, in order not to delete your important files. So please remember to subscribe, turn on your notification bell for more contents, because I'll be dropping contents like this every week. Thanks for watching.